Hello everyone, and welcome to this Dataplus tutorial where I show you the first Boolean input of this tutorial, the checkbox. We are still working in our sales app, and this time we want an input field that allows us to specify whether a sales position is eligible for a discount or not. Like always, the first step is to create a column for the input data. On the administrative site, we must click on the table's name to continue to the table itself. Then we click on the cogwheel of the top right corner to open the Edit dialog, where we can add a column by choosing its name. Please be aware that we are not changing any data format for the Boolean inputs. They will remain a string. If you want to perform logic tasks with the input, you need to make an explicit data transformation subsequent to the input. After we confirmed the column creation by clicking OK, we can change to the worksheet. Due to the modification on the administrative site, we lost connection to the table on the worksheet. So we click the plug to reconnect and start to edit the Dataplus table. In the Properties panel, we go to the Data section and add a new Dataplus column. Of course, the label is called Discount, the column type is Checkbox, and we will save it to the database column of the same name. Directly afterwards, we make the first test by ticking the checkbox and saving the altered positions with a click on the floppy disk. Once again, we can change to the Dataplus page to verify the input. Please note that there is no false entry in the discount column, even though we left many rows unticked. The reason for this is that the input object is initially empty and we only ticked the checkbox once. If we go back to the worksheet and untick some of the positions, then we will set the value to false. The last characteristic of this input type that we want to show is the data after it is loaded back into the application. For this reason, we are entering the data load editor and go to the Dataplus script section. We type in the name of the newly created column once for the SQL select and once for the load statement. Afterwards, we click Load Data and regard the new column inside the data model. In the column preview, we can see that it's not tagged as a Boolean value, but rather as a string. If we would like to change this, we would need to transform it, at best with a simple if clause. Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss any updates regarding the Dataplus suite, please subscribe to our channel.